Hi, I'm Lakeisha, and that little girl right there next to me is Anaya. She's the best gift that God could have ever blessed me with. However, to get her here wasn't so easy. In October of 2013, I went to what was scheduled to be a normal doctor's appointment, only to find that there wasn't enough amniotic fluid surrounding her. I was immediately admitted to the hospital to stay overnight. Now, many people who know me know that I wasn't prepared for that. I actually tried to negotiate with the doctor because I had a scheduled hair appointment for that day, but they weren't having it. And sometimes, occasionally, you'll hear Anaya in the background. She's not afraid of the camera and she loves to talk. So, what turned out or supposed to have been an overnight stay ended up being a 30-day residency for me. I wasn't due to have Anaya until December 2nd of 2013. However, I had to be put to sleep for an emergency C-section, and my sweet Anaya was born early on November the 2nd, a whole month. It hurt me so much to see my Anaya having to be put in the NIC unit. She was on oxygen and feeding tubes. She had things strapped on her every which way. Now, to make matters worse, I had to leave my baby in the NICU as I left the hospital for a whole week and a half. And any NICU mother would know that to leave their child after having their child, to go home and be in this house alone is the hardest thing to do. Fast forward to now, February 3rd, 2014. Anaya is a happy, healthy baby. She smiles and she laughs and then she really enjoys her life. But what she doesn't know is how much it cost the both of us and how much we accumulated during our hospital stay. Her 2 week stay in the NICU was over $25,000, and my 30-day residency was $45,000, all of which was not covered by my employer's limited insurance. Sad, huh? Well, that's why I've created this video, because I'm hoping that I can get help paying our medical bills. Because we went through so much together, both Anaya and I plan to stay home for her first year because I don't want to be apart. But of course, we would love to do that without having bill collectors calling us every day. Isn't that right, Anaya? Both Anaya and I would truly appreciate any donations that we get. We ask that, you give it from your heart because we would do the same for anybody else who's going through our same problems. We thank you so much and we pray that you have a blessed year. Say goodbye, Anaya. Well, goodbye. Bye. Thanks for listening.